You know the old saying, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade? Well, I feel like we've spent the better part of this year doing that. You know, the gravity of the situation going on outside has not escaped us at all. We wear our mask, we hunker down at home, we social distance, we become the queen of curbside shopping. We tip generously and we support small businesses who are also doing their part the best we can. Short of that, I don't know what else we can do other than keep our spirits up, bring joy to the world, and just continue trudging on the best we know how. So today, instead of making the metaphorical lemonade, we thought we'd make the real thing, but 2020 style. First, we're going to start with easy. We served these raspberry lemonade mimosas at parties before, and they're really easy. We just buy this Simply Lemonade, the raspberry kind, and you just fill it about halfway full, and you just simply top it off with champagne. Of course, it's helpful if you have a pretty champagne flute. Maybe you have a prettier one that's not the plastic sort, but that's what we have for our parties. And then we've rimmed it with red sugar. We even have our own rimmer. We've really upped our game here in the party giving area. And then we put little raspberries threaded through the straw. Super easy. They look really pretty, and they're nice to serve when you can't have a party. Otherwise, you know, you can have a party of one or two.
There you go.
It'll be okay.
Yes.
Kind of along the same line are these. I don't know if they have a name. I don't think they do. I don't think they have a name. It's just a drink we made. It's also the raspberry lemonade, but we has your kind of drink, coconut rum, Malibu coconut rum. I think it's about 1 ounce of rum to 8 ounces of lemonade, or you can put as much or a little rum in as you want. And of course, we also decided to garnish those cups with our red sugar since we have it, and threw a lemon slice on to make it pretty. Those are going to be good.
They are.
All right, and then this drink I really like it. We've gotten blackberries that we've muddled in the bottom of the glass. We topped it. Oh, we forgot to put the ice in. You can put ice in it.
Yep.
Oh well, we didn't. We don't need ice. And it has lemonade. What else is in there? Lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
More
and then
blackberries on top.
tequila.
Oh yeah, we've got tequila in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's really super good.
Yeah.
They kind of remind me of the Lucille's that we have at the Peabody Hotel. Whenever Carrie and I go on a road trip, we always end up at the Peabody drinking Lucille's in the lobby. The Lucille's, they're their signature blackberry margarita, and they're so good. They're named after B.B. King's guitar. So that's the next best thing. I haven't been able to figure out how to make the ones at the Peabody. Of course, it gives me a reason to go there. And everything tastes better in the lobby of the Peabody. But, until then, we can, pretend with those. And you can tell we're kind of into margaritas. We do have large margarita machine here. And these are pink senoritas, which are basically pink lemonade margaritas. They have the tequila, triple sec, pink lemonade. We put some mint and lemon on that to make them pretty. Salt on the rim of those.
Yes.
That's my style.
That's hers.
I'm salty. She's sweet.
Yes.
And if maybe you need something a little less strong, we've got a drink for you too. Keith loves strawberry lemonade, but he only likes the kind that's powdered from Country Time. I thought I'd really make him some good strawberry lemonade, so I came up with this recipe that I make, but it's too fruity for him. Yeah, but I served it. I knew it's supposed to be kind of a summer thing, but I made it for Thanksgiving one year because I had a whole bunch of lemons left over from a party, and everybody loved it. And it's not hard. It's just frozen strawberries, fresh lemon juice, and sugar, water. It's very easy to make. We have posted links to all of these lemonade recipes for you on today's blog post. Last year, I ended our 24 days with my thoughts about Pantone choosing the color blue for the color of the year for 2020. My immediate reaction was, how depressing, right? I'm not your blue person. I'm not.
Yeah.
But, the blue people are like, oh, no, that's a good thing. Calm, relaxing. I thought, well, that might be helpful, thinking the worst thing is going to happen this year was just another election year. Well, even that was 2020 style. But I think they hit the mark with the depressing. So I've been anxiously awaiting on Pantone to come out with what their colors are going to be for 2021, hoping they pick something other than, Reaper Black or, something as depressing as blue. And I'm very excited. We're all really surprised because they didn't just pick one color. They picked two. That's like a blue moon. They don't do that very often. So maybe they're just trying to make up for last year's choice. So if you haven't heard yet, the colors they've chosen are Illuminating, which is a very bright yellow, and Ultimate Gray. This is how they're billing it. They're calling it a marriage of color, conveying a message of strength and hopefulness that is both enduring and uplifting. All I know is let's just hope they got it right. Otherwise, we may have another year filled with making lemonade. I hope that that's not what they're predicting. So, in the spirit of this new dynamic duo of color, Jeannie and I have made these colorful cows out of Earth's Harvest worsted. I'm citrus and she's mint. And then, yeah, I know it's not mint green, but that's what color mint actually dyes. These are dyed naturally with fruits and nuts and all sorts of strange things. So this was dyed with mint. We're like a rap duo, citrus and mint.
There you go.
I'm on the salt and pepper thing. We need our own. Yeah, we start, beatboxing. We may have had too much lemonade. Yeah, well, yeah, today's going to be a fun day.
Yeah.
So today we are going to leave you with this. We think you need a bam of color to brighten your day as well. So we're giving away one skein of Harvest worsted to one lucky viewer, along with the pattern to make this. This is the Bella cow. This is also from Earth Yarns. So leave a comment on today's post with what color you want to win. And you have until 8 a.m. tomorrow. Let's go drink.